Most adults fail this general knowledge quiz. Can you? How many continents are there? A 5 or B 6 or C 7 or D 8? The answer is C 7. Some countries teach a 6-continent model, merging Europe and Asia into Eurasia. What color do you get mixing red and white? A. Pink or B. Orange or C. Purple or D. Brown? The answer is A. Pink. Pink wasn't considered a separate color in English until the 17th century. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger or B. Lion or C. Elephant or D. Gorilla? The answer is B. Lion. Ironically, lions live mostly on savannas and grasslands, not jungles. How many sides does a hexagon have? A 5 or B 6 or C 7 or D 8? The answer is B 6. Honeybees build hexagonal cells because the shape uses the least wax. What is the capital of France? A. Lyon or B. Marseille or C. Nice or D. Paris? The answer is D. Paris. Paris was originally a Celtic settlement called Lutetia, founded by the Parisii tribe. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus or B. Earth or C. Mercury or D. Mars? The answer is C. Mercury. Despite being closest, Mercury isn't the hottest, Venus is, due to its thick atmosphere. What is H2O more commonly known as? A. Salt or B. Water or C. Oxygen or D. Hydrogen? The answer is B. Water. About 60% of the adult human body is water, mostly inside our cells. How many days are in a leap year? A. 364 or B. 365 or C. 366 or D. 367? The answer is C. 366. Leap years exist because Earth's orbit takes about 365.2422 days, not exactly 365. Which ocean is the largest? A. Atlantic or B. Indian or C. Arctic or D. Pacific? The answer is D. Pacific. The Pacific covers more area than all Earth's land masses combined. What gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Oxygen or B. Nitrogen or C. Carbon dioxide or D. Helium? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. A single mature tree absorbs roughly 48 pounds of CO2 per year. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo or B. Leonardo da Vinci or C. Raphael or D. Donatello? The answer is B. Leonardo da Vinci. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. Fashion of the era was to shave them off. What's the largest mammal on Earth? A. African elephant or B. A blue whale or C. A giraffe or D. A polar bear? The answer is B. Blue whale. A blue whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as an adult elephant. Which language has the most native speakers? A. English or B. Spanish or C. Mandarin Chinese or D. Hindi? The answer is C. Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin has roughly 940 million native speakers, nearly triple English. What metal is liquid at room temperature? of mercury, or B. A lead, or C. Iron, or D. Aluminum? The answer is A. Mercury. Mercury was once used in hat making, causing the phrase mad as a hatter. Which country invented pizza? A. Greece, or B. France, or C. Italy, or D. Spain? The answer is C. Italy. Modern pizza was born in Naples in the late 1700s as cheap street food. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 196, or B. 206, or C. 216, or D. 226? The answer is B. 206. Babies are born with around 270 bones, many fuse together as they grow. What's the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco, or B. San Marino, or C. A Vatican City, or D. A Liechtenstein? The answer is C. Vatican City. Vatican City is just 0.19 square miles and has fewer than 800 residents. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens, or B. A William Shakespeare, or C. Mark Twain, or D. Jane Austen? The answer is B. William Shakespeare. Shakespeare invented over 1,700 English words, including eyeball and lonely. What's the chemical symbol for gold? A. Go, or B. AGD, or C. O, or D. AG? The answer is C. O. O comes from aurum, the Latin word for shining dawn. In what year did World War II end? A. 1943, or B. A 1944, or C. A 1945, or D. A 1946? The answer is C. 1945. Japan formally surrendered aboard the USS Missouri on September 2, 1945. Which Greek god rules the underworld? A. Zeus, or B. Apollo, or C. Poseidon, or D. Hades? The answer is D. Hades. Hades was rarely worshipped openly. Greeks feared even saying his name. What's the longest river in the world? A. Amazon, or B. A Nile, or C. A Yangtze, or D. A Mississippi? The answer is B. Nile. Some scientists argue the Amazon is actually longer. The debate continues today. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1, or B. A 2, or C. A 3, or D. 4? The answer is C. 3. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 circulates it through the rest of the body. Which element has the atomic number 1? A. Helium, or B. Oxygen, or C. Hydrogen, or D. Carbon? The answer is C. Hydrogen. Hydrogen makes up about 75% of all normal matter in the universe. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? A. Da Vinci, or B. Caravaggio, or C. Raphael, or D. Michelangelo? The answer is D. Michelangelo. Michelangelo considered himself a sculptor and resented the 4-year painting project. What's the rarest blood type in humans? A. O negative, or B. AB negative, or C. B negative, or D. A negative? The answer is B. AB negative. AB negative occurs in less than 1% of people worldwide. Which country has the most time zones? A. USA, or B. Russia, or C. China, or D. France? The answer is D. France. France has 12 time zones thanks to its overseas territories. Russia has 11. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? F. Quartz, or B. Titanium, or C. Diamond, or D. Granite? The answer is C. Diamond. Diamonds form 100 plus miles underground under intense heat and pressure over billions of years. Who was the first person to fly solo across the Atlantic? F. Amelia Earhart, or B. Wright brothers, or C. Charles Lindbergh, or D. Howard Hughes? The answer is C. Charles Lindbergh. Lindbergh's 1927 flight took 33.5 hours in the spirit of St. Louis. What's the only mammal capable of true flight? A flying squirrel, or B. Bat, or C. A sugar glider, or D. Colugo? The answer is B. Bat. Flying squirrels only glide. Bats are the sole mammals with powered flight. Comment your score below. Be honest, no Googling.